let's talk about a superfood that's not only delicious, but also packed with immense health benefits: the humble sweet potato. This versatile root vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrition. They are rich in antioxidants, vital for protecting your skin, eyes, nerves, brain, and blood vessels from the damage caused by nasty free radicals, making it a natural shield against illness, reducing the risk of getting sick in the first place. Sweet potato are chock full of B vitamins. These are essential for a healthy metabolism, helping you stay active, feel good, and keep your skin healthy and nerves working properly. Sweet potatoes also promote overall gut health. They're packed with a special fiber called resistant starch, which is actually the food for the good bacteria living in our guts. These friendly bacteria have a proper feast on resistant starch, multiply, fight harmful bacteria, and produce helpful substances that keep our gut healthy. The resistant dextrin in G-NiiB Immunity Plus is a type of resistant starch. By taking G-NiiB Immunity Plus live-friendly bacteria formula and enjoying sweet potatoes, you're creating a powerful duo for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. So why not pair these two gut health champions for maximum benefit? Pop over to our Amazon store to learn more about G-NiiB Immunity Plus today.